The Gemara says, so why does the Torah say these halachas if it's pointless, if it's not going to happen? The answer is, Dirosh v'kabel schar. Learn it to get reward. So Shamshon Rafael Hirsch writes, what's Dirosh v'kabel schar? Give me something else to learn. So he says, you have to learn this to get schar. So he says a beautiful taich. When it says Dirosh v'kabel schar, it means learn this parsha and you will be rewarded with a perspective on education. Learn this parsha, Dirosh. I don't need you to learn this parsha to send your kid to be killed. I need you to learn this parsha so you should learn the fundamentals of education. For example, one of the halachas of Ben Sair Umoreh is Einenu Shemeya B'Koileinu. We spoke about it a few weeks ago. So B'Koileinu, the Gemara says that the father and the mother have to have the same voice. Now, where do you have that? Unless they're twins. Even twins. And if they're twins, you can't marry them. A brother and a sister are not allowed to marry each other. So where are you going to have a father and a mother that have the same coil? It's impossible. So therefore there's no Ben Sair Umoreh. So Rabbi Shamshon Rafael Hirsch writes, he says, this is an example of Dirosh v'kabel schar. Often you have a marriage where there's two voices in the house. Not just physical voices. Moral voices. The father says one thing, the mother says the opposite. Sometimes the mother says the opposite because the father said the opposite. Sometimes the father said because the mother. Even if not, there's just disharmony. There's a lot of contention in the house. He says, then you can't call the child a Ben Sair Umoreh. You can't call him a rebellious child. He grew up in a home where there was no harmony. Einenu shemeya b'koileinu. Only if their voices are identical. In other words, it was a holistic home. Then you could say he's a rebellious child. If not, don't attribute it to the child. So this is one of the examples where you learn the parsha, Dirosh v'kabel schar. Another example is what we just said, that the Ben Sair Umoreh only gets punished if they don't forgive him because they detach from him.